Right, I've just got this SCART lead to the 9-pin RGB socket, whatever it's called, and it's got audio as well on it as well, so we'll try that. I mean, the blank screen, oh dear. Well, I've had to go back to the black and white screen coming out the video monochrome connector because that's not working for some reason. I mean, it's doing something, it's getting a white signal, but I have got some single layer, not double density, single layer disc, because the normal floppies don't work. Oh, what's going on? Let's see if we can oh, bad free space map. Okay, so shall we format it? I don't know if you can add to format it on it. I think you press the middle button. There we go, look, middle button. Let's format. Oh. Are we sure? Oh dear. Well, there you go. Got my old ZX Spectrum out the loft, out the garage loft, because that's why it looks a bit damp. And got a new power supply for it. Let's see if it fires up. Well, I'm going to turn it on. Here we go. Oh, it's not plugged in. It's not making a noise. No video. Oh dear. Best try tuning the TV really, aren't we, first? I've got an aerial lead in, but it's a bit slack, so I might get a video lead, and because they seem to fit a lot better, I might get one of them yellow leads and solder it onto an aerial socket. See if we can get something out of it. Oh, come on. Oh, oh! So we're going to manually tune that then, because it's not picked it up. Oh, I'm going to improve the aerial. See the aerial, look, it's just super loose. But one of these video component ones is dead tight, so we'll just have to try manually tuning it first. Well, there you go. That's good news, isn't it? Quite a clear picture as well, really, because considering the lead's loose. Right then, next bit. What I've wanted to try is to on YouTube there's some videos with the tape recording of the games. And I've got Jet Set Willy. And we'll see if it works. See if you can get an instant. Oh, I'll tell you in a minute anyway. Well, I went to try and type load in, and the keyboard don't work. So more problems. Right, let's take the computer downstairs and strip it down, see what's up with the ribbon cable. Oh, look at the state of it. There's a screw missing there. I've never been inside this. I've had this since I was a kid. Never had it open. Surprising really, isn't it? Someone like me. Bit dirty. I think I might get one of them famous power regulators, voltage regulators. The keyboard, yeah, I think if I can get another membrane that'd be good, because it looks a bit dodgy. I mean, that's a bit, and this one pulled out a bit strange, so I'll clean it up, put it back together, see if it'll work anyway. That's the only thing I can do tonight, and I'll have a look on eBay, see if there's another membrane for these. I think this is the one. I'm just going to take it apart and see if it's the same. I'm going to try and repair it first, and then if not, I'll just buy this. I like to try and repair things. Well, I've tried cleaning it up with a bit of Scotch Brite. This one's a bit wangy. And I'll try and push them back in a minute. I think I'll be lucky, really, don't you? Well, it's still not working, so I might just trim these down because they're all bent, look. I might just trim it and get a clean edge, because I'm going to get a new keyboard membrane anyway, so it won't matter. You might as well savage it, haven't you? Hey? Tell you what, we'll just try putting this one back in first before we cut the other one, because this one was a bit of a pain. Yeah, well, I've trimmed both sides down and nothing works, so that's it then for tonight. I'm going to get one of them keyboards off eBay. Well, I've just managed to get something to work, wiggling it all about, so it's definitely not the computer, it's just definitely the keyboard. So come back next week and then see how we get on when the parts arrive. Thank you, good night.